In today's video we're going to be checking out the brand new flash from GODOX called the IT32 along with their brand new flash trigger called the X5. Let's get straight into it. So yeah, this is the brand new flash from GODOX called the IT32. We're going to do a very quick unboxing to see what we get. And of course we get the flash, a small instruction manual, a carrying pouch, a USB-C cable for charging, and a flash diffuser. We also get 2 flash filters and also a mini flash stand. And taking a quick look at the IT32 flash, we can see that it's very small and compact, and we'll take a more detailed look at this in a minute. Now, one thing you may have noticed with this IT32 is it has no hot shoe mount. Now, where the hot shoe mount should be is a recess with some magnets and also some connecting pins. And this is where GODOX's new X5 trigger comes in. On top of the X5 we have magnets and also connecting points. And underneath we have the hot shoe mount with all our connecting pins to mount onto our camera. Now you can probably see how this is going to work, but let me just show you. Basically the GODOX X5 fits into the recess on the bottom of the IT32, and let me show you how it works. So we can take the X5 trigger and also the IT32 flash and join them together. Now it's worth noting that the X5 trigger only fits one way into the IT32 due to the magnets. And now we can mount the IT32 on top of our camera, and as soon as we powered up the IT32 we use it just like a regular on-camera flash. But now this is where things get interesting. We can remove the IT32 from the X5 trigger, leaving the X5 mounted to the camera. And just like that we now have an off-camera flash. Because that X5 is working as a trigger, it's sending a signal to the IT32, still telling it when to fire. We've gone from an on-camera flash to an off-camera flash instantly. So you've seen one benefit of using the X5 trigger with the IT32. Let me show you its other party piece. Let's say we have a secondary camera, and this is a completely different make to our primary camera. It could be a Canon, a Nikon, a Fuji, Olympus Panasonic, or a Sony. Instead of having to buy multiple IT32 flashes, you simply buy the X5 trigger that fits your particular brand of camera. Yep, that's right, you can have multiple different X5 triggers on different brands of camera, and a single GODOX IT32 is swappable between them. It's no longer the flash that decides which brand of camera that it works with, but the X5 flash trigger module. Not only that, but multiple X5 units on different brands of camera can tell a single IT32 off-camera flash unit when to fire. Now if you're enjoying this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and whilst you're down there hit that subscribe button also. Now I have so many questions about the GODOX IT32 and also the X5 that I need answering, so let's go through some of them together. So the first question I have is, can the X5 trigger work with other GODOX flashes, or is it limited to the IT32? Well, let's find out. I have the IT30, the smaller brother of the IT32, and we're going to see if we can get it firing using the X5 trigger. Now if you're familiar with GODOX flashes and triggers, you will know they need to be on the same channel frequency so that they can communicate with each other. But as the X5 has no readout screen, there's no way of knowing what channel frequency it's set to. Now at the moment I've got the IT30 set to channel 15. And what I'm going to do is take the IT32, connect it back up with the X5 trigger, and set the channel also on the IT32 to channel 15. What I'm also going to do is set the IT30 to receive mode so that it can communicate should the trigger be sending a signal. Right, let's remove the IT32 again from the X5, and I have literally no idea whether the IT30 is also going to fire at the same time the IT32 does. And yes, both flashes are firing. That's absolutely fantastic. Now I know it's quite hard to see on screen that both flashes are firing, but you can take my word for it, they are. So basically we've used the IT32 to set the X5 trigger to the correct channel, and any flash that is on that same channel will fire. And I must admit I'm pretty impressed. The X5 is storing that channel information and sending it to all flashes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to power down the IT32 just to confirm it's the X5 sending the signal and not the flash. And as you can see, the IT30 is still firing, meaning that the X5 is sending the signal. Right, just to be thorough and to be sure that the X5 is really storing that channel frequency information, what I'm going to do is change the IT32 to a different channel. And now in theory the IT32 should not fire, but the IT30 still should. And yes, that's exactly what's happening. The IT30 is still firing, but the IT32 is not. Oops, let me put the IT30 face down so we're not seeing its flash. And as you can see, the IT32 is not firing. So indeed it is the X5 that's storing the channel information and sending the signal to flashes on that same channel. Now at the moment you will need to use the IT32 to set that channel information up, but hopefully in the future GODOX releases other products that fit onto the X5 trigger. Now whilst we're here, let me just quickly show you the stand that comes with the IT32 because it's quite unique. Because the IT32 has that recess with magnets in it, the stand slots straight into it and attaches to the magnets. It's the simple things in life that keep me happy. And my next question is, how do we charge up the X5 trigger? With the IT32 I can see the USB-C port for charging, but the X5 doesn't appear to have any way of connecting a power supply to it, so how exactly do we charge it? Right, what I'm going to do is reattach the X5 into the IT32, put some power into that USB-C port and see what happens. Oh, I can see what's happening. We get two power displays on the IT32, one for the X5 trigger and one for the flash. Again, I'm really impressed. I did tell you it's the simple things. And my final question was, is there any way of adjusting the flash power when the flash is off camera? And yes there is, there's two buttons, one for increasing the power and one for decreasing the power. If we hold in the right hand button, we can change from manual mode to automatic TTL mode, or back again from TTL mode into manual mode. If we hold in the left hand button, our LED indicator changes colour to flashing red, and this indicates how much battery is left on the X5 trigger. So it seems GODOX really have thought of everything with this flash trigger combination, but if you have any questions about it, put them down in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them. Right, there's one thing left to do, and that's to check out the IT32 flash and see what it offers. So as already mentioned, this is a small compact flash, but taking a closer look at it, we can see the flash head tips forward or can be rotated backwards facing straight up. Excellent for bouncing the light off the ceiling. The flash head also rotates approximately 90 degrees to the left or 90 degrees to the right. Again, excellent if you're looking to bounce the light off walls or reflectors. It also comes with a built-in reflector and also a diffuser. We have that USB-C port, but also a 2.5mm sync port. It also comes with a built-in model lamp and an autofocus assist light. On the rear of the flash we get a full colour touchscreen, which is used to access all the features and settings. And first of all, we have our different modes. It comes with built-in automatic mode, TTL, manual mode, and also multi-mode. We can also turn on and off high-speed sync, and we also get to turn on that model lamp that's on the front of the flash. And yes, the model lamp is extremely bright, but you can adjust the power level. We also get to turn on inter, which I must admit, I haven't got a clue what this does. If you do know, let me know in the comment section down below. Now to adjust the flash's power, you simply swipe left or right on the rear touchscreen, or for more precise control, you can tap the plus or minus symbols. Or if you prefer, you can rotate the dial on the right hand side. Now going back to the menu, if we swipe down we get more options, and in this particular setting we can change the channel and frequency that the flash is running on, as demonstrated earlier in the video. We also get to change the mode of the flash from receiver to standalone flash or even transmitter, and at any time you can check the status and information of the X5 trigger. We also have a secondary menu with lots more options. Now I'm not going to go through every setting because I'll be here forever and I don't want to turn this video into a tutorial, but you can see just how many different features are built into this flash. It really is feature packed. So as you've seen, it comes with a host of pro features built into such a compact body, but how much does it cost? Well, for an IT32 flash with one X5 trigger, it comes in at 89 UK pounds. And for additional X5 triggers, well, they come in at 22 UK pounds. And personally, I think that's excellent value for money. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So there you have it, that's the GODOX IT32 and X5 trigger. I think it's absolutely fantastic, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'll leave links to both of them in the description and the top pinned comment, so make sure you go check it out. Now if you've enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see further videos from myself, hit that subscribe button down there, and we'll catch up in that next video. Thanks for watching, see you soon.